I am Angeline Dayot Narciso, taking up a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture Nature and Agronomy. And now, I will answer the questions in EN-CHEM. For question number 1 is memorize the element number 1 up to element number 50 found in the periodic table of elements. Recite the element, symbol, atomic number, and element name. So my answer for this question is H for hydrogen, He for helium, Li for lithium, Be for beryllium, B for boron, C for carbon, N for nitrogen, O for oxygen, F for fluorine, Na for neon, Na for sodium, Mg for magnesium, Al for aluminum, Si for silicon, P for phosphorus, S for sulfur, Ci for chlorine, Ar for argon, K for potassium, Cf for calcium. Number 2 is state the difference between atomic mass and atomic number. My answer for this is, while the mass number is the sum of the protons and neutrons, the atomic number is the value found associated with an element on the periodic table because it is the K to the element's identity. Mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons in atom. Well, the atomic number is just the number of protons. Question number 3 is point the location of metals, nonmetals, and metalloids in the periodic table. My answer is metals are located on the left of the periodic table, and the nonmetals are located on the upper right, and the metalloids lie on either side of the dividing line between metals and nonmetals. Question number 4. Differentiate the properties of elements that are categories between periods, horizontal rows, and groups columns. Periods are horizontal rows across the periodic table, while groups are vertical columns down the table. Atomic number increases as you move down a group or across a period. The chemical elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic number. The horizontal rows are called periods and the vertical columns are called groups elements. In the same group have similar chemical properties. This is because they have the same number of outer electrons and the same valency. Question number 5. Point of the location of the orbital shells block S, P, D, and F. S block elements are placed on the left side of the periodic table, while P block elements is the right side of the periodic table, and the D is D block elements. It is the place between S and the P blocks, and the F block is the separate clay at the bottom of that table. Question number 6. Enumerate and describe the characteristics of each family groups found in the periodic table. So the vertical columns on the periodic table are called groups or families of their similar chemical behavior. All the members of a family of elements have the same number of valence. electrons, and similar chemical properties. So that's it, Mom, and thank you.
Thank you for watching.